So guys, Bitcoin at 73,000 a day right now. Altcoins are starting to rip up, just depending on the altcoins you're invested in. And if you're not invested in a few of these specific sectors, guys, you're going to miss out on crazy gains. And overall, right now, Bitcoin is setting up for something super huge. And I want to talk about the price action and specific things that are fueling this and why this could be the huge rip up for altcoins and overall the crypto bull cycle. Overall, though, if you're new to my channel, go to check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, everything else in between, as well as keeping you guys updated on the market so you guys can capitalize on these events. But other than that, let's go and jump into it. So guys, my portfolio is up nice today. Overall though, we are still down for the 7-day. Like how I said, certain coins have been seeing a nice pump today, and it's mainly AI and meme coins. Guys, if you aren't aware, which I've been talking about it on this YouTube channel, and I'm sure you have been seeing it all over crypto Twitter and everywhere else, meme coins and AI coins, guys, are starting to get the biggest rally and overall are going to get the biggest rally in this 2024 crypto bull cycle. Mark my words. RWA, gaming, L2s, L1s, all those also are going to get their fair share. But overall, artificial intelligence and meme coins, as well as the combination of meme and AI, is going to be able to take your portfolio to the freaking moon, guys. Some of these coins do not have a huge track record, and based off of the track records that we do have on previous meme coins, you can just see that some of these coins can go parabolic. Dogecoin hit somewhere above somewhere around the 80 billion market cap. So guys, it all varies depending on, you know, the coins you're invested in and the conviction that you have. But right now, meme coins are going to be your best bet, as well as AI coins. AI coins are also so fresh, and you know, I have the same conviction around them as meme coins, just because they are pretty much on the midst of showing exactly how they're going to be making a change in the Web3 space. You got to be following good projects. So at the end of the day, it's all based off of what you're invested in. A few coins I'm invested in: Hash AI, Destra. I don't have all the coins on here, guys. I need to update my portfolio on CoinGecko. But overall, Conduct is one of my main conviction plays. It's a mixture of AI with gaming, which is really dope. Destra, another DPIN cloud software AI company. Hash AI revolved around GPU technology, and pretty much giving out to companies that need this technology as well. Renting, node system renting, all these different things, node rentals. A lot of different stuff, guys. Overall, though, you need to be investing in the meme sector and the AI sector. Now, if we're following, you know, what's going on in terms of sector performance, as you can see for the month, I thought it was quite interesting. Of course, memes are outperforming everything under that. You got L1s, then DeFi, then gaming, and then AI. In terms for the week, though, as you can see that switch up. Memes, from there, you can see L1s, DeFi, and then AI. But overall, guys, I think if we're looking from a broad landscape of how certain sectors have been doing, it's the AI and meme sector that you want to focus on. Now, Bitcoin broke around 73,000 today, which was freaking awesome. You know, based off of all-time highs, guys, we're on track to see those next all-time highs, and we've been following, you know, the validation around Bitcoin and the specific patterns that we've been seeing since mid-August. And basically, with these two candles that we have seen, these two giga candles, overall we have broken out of that specific region, reclaimed that zone, but we still need to stay above this specific region and close out for the weekly. Overall, Just a Minute talks about it. It says Bitcoin is breaking out. A sustained break above 70K on the higher time frame is still required to confirm it. But the biggest difference between this rally and every other since March is the increase in well perp longs compared to retail. It's been straight up for 2 days. And then he gives his indicators on these sources of pretty much what we've been seeing for the monthly open, as well as that well versus retail trading action. And guys, we've been following this, and we've been waiting for a switch like this to happen. At the end of the day, on my previous video, I was a little bit, you know, bearish, or some people would call me bearish, but it's just because we're waiting for proper validation. And based off of what we're seeing, guys, we are seeing that validation. Wells are starting to get back in compared to retail. So overall, we're starting to see a lot more conviction with a lot more liquidity. Overall, it's really great to see also other indicators. Welcome home Bitcoin dominance, sitting at a 60%, which is super high. Usually this is an indicator that we are about to see a switch. I saw someone post underneath this, which was really great, which we'll go over it. It says it was a long journey, but Bitcoin dominance finally made it to 60%. So somebody came over here and kind of gave an explanation as to what it means. Like I said, said, this is pretty much an indicator that we're going to be flipping. But overall explanation, Bitcoin now controls 60% of all cryptocurrency value. This means $6 out of every $10 in crypto is now in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance hits 60%, it historically signals a major market shift. Like in late 2020, this dominance level was before Bitcoin's growth from 20,000 to 69,000. When the dominance goes up, it usually isn't good news for altcoins in the short term, of course, because we've been seeing bleeding. But alts will have their time once the dominance starts dropping, which, guys, like how I said, we hit that 60%, and based off of this region and where we usually are and what we saw in the 2020 cycle, overall, we're on the verge of a shift into altcoins. There also is a ton of other bullish news around Bitcoin. Florida's chief financial officer advocates for a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So multiple people just, honing in on Bitcoin and the, reserve for the U.S. But overall, guys, this is just bullish just to see people talking about it. Is it going to happen? We don't know. But overall, when we see big news like this is whenever we see bullish times and big whales starting to get in. On top of that, Jesse Cohen kind of makes a good point. He says S&P 500 at record highs, NASDAQ at record highs, gold at record highs, Bitcoin at record highs. Party on. So overall, guys, we're seeing multiple different indicators in the markets from different markets, just showing us that we're on the verge of crazy gains. We've been following on where we're at in this crypto cycle on multiple videos, and I kind of just want to reiterate based off of the halving cycles theory, which CryptoCon is really known for. You can follow CryptoCon. Really gives you a broad perspective of what has happened previously and what's currently taking place. But overall, it says people are in disbelief that a Bitcoin bull market is possible after 7 months of sideways price action, which we've been talking about. The halving cycles theory has had November 28, 2024 written down as the start of the true bull market year since January 2023, almost 2 years ago. Pricing now inching closer to all-time highs exactly 1 month ago. Excuse me, guys. So overall, guys, based off of these halving cycles and theories that we have, this has already been in the bag for over, the last 2 years. And if you've been following this, you would have a proper understanding of kind of when we would see those all-time highs, as well as crashes and deviations. I honestly have been, documenting my journey since, the beginning of 2023 and the 2023. So I wasn't completely aware of all these different charts, but that's why it's kind of good to have a different broad perspective, get different, views on the markets, as well as what we've seen in previous cycles, and then the price action of currently what's taking place. Overall, though, it all varies. In terms of altcoins, guys, altcoins right now, according to the Altcoin Season Index monthly, altcoins have reached a zone that has always been the best zone versus Bitcoin in recent years. Once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high with momentum, altcoins will take over. So, crazy, in his opinion, legendary months ahead. So overall, guys, we have multiple indicators leading to the fact that we're about to see a shift in altcoins. Overall, the best performing altcoins in this 2024 crypto bull cycle has been meme coins and AI coins. And right now, also, meme AI coins are starting to take off. Specific narratives like Go and a few others that are still, starting to rip. As you can see for the daily 24 hours, we can see that AI coins and meme coins are ripping quite nicely. And that's that I don't even have all of them right here. You can see that, based off of this time frame, a few meme coins are ripping like crazy and have been ripping for the 7 days, as well as a few AI coins. Overall, though, this all varies depending on your perspective on kind of what you've been following and overall what you have conviction in. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 72,000, hit around that 73.3 region earlier today, which was really crazy. Overall, we have broken out of this current price action that we've been seeing since mid-August. So honestly, we have been seeing now a validation zone. We reclaimed it. Now we just need to be staying above this specific region, like Justin Bennett had said, just to be able to confirm this specific higher time frame. Overall, though, whales are starting to jump in versus retail, which we have seen in the opposite, in the previous weeks, which is why we've been seeing deviations with Bitcoin. But overall, seeing the whale sentiment shift into Bitcoin is super bullish. So overall, Bitcoin is breaking out. Dominance is sitting at 60%, like the explanation had covered. Overall, whenever we see that 60% historically, it signals a major market shift, like in late 2020 before the 2021 bull run. This dominance level was before Bitcoin's growth from 20,000 to 69,000. So overall, guys, we're about to see a huge shift. A lot of markets are seeing all-time highs. The S&P 500, NASDAQ, gold is at all-time highs, and Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs. Where we're at in this crypto cycle, guys, it has been written for the past 2 years. So if you're keeping up with the correct people, you would have an understanding of what's currently going on. Overall, Mustache talks about how right now is the best time to be buying altcoins as opposed to Bitcoin, based off of that dominance with Bitcoin and the shift that we're currently going to be seeing. But guys, that is currently what's going on in the crypto markets. Bitcoin is trading at super all-time highs. We reclaimed a specific zone. Overall, we need to be trading above that zone. Wells are starting to, shift the sentiment, causing a lot of liquidity to move in the markets. Altcoins right now are at a point where you really need to be buying them. Main sectors to be focused on is meme and AI, but at the end of the day, focus on your main conviction plays. We're going to be keeping up with the markets. I'm going to keep you guys updated on the price action around Bitcoin, as well as what I think you should be doing. Overall, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. Intermediate trader, documenting my journey since 2023. Keeping you guys updated on the markets, showing you guys my wins and losses, and overall, showing you guys how you can capitalize on these markets so that you can stay ahead of everybody and make a lot of shmoolah. I plan on making a lot of money. I plan on documenting on this YouTube channel. And overall, guys, we're on the verge of crazy gains. I've been waiting for this time, and I can't wait to show you guys the portfolio and whenever we are making stupid money. But overall, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I drop daily content every day, so stay tuned. Also, go check me out on X. I'm trying to get monetized on my X account as well as YouTube. So other than that, stay tuned, guys, and I'm gonna keep dropping more content. Catch you in the next one. Peace.